Hi guys, I'm Elder from AIM Security, and today we're here at another project that we're just wrapping up. A project that will integrate door access with an intercom, networks with Wi-Fi, and a security system with AI cameras with lots of features to explore. I'll show you more from the intercom all the way to our IT rack where we can see everything in detail. So we're at the gate of our client where we installed the intercom from the Ubiquiti. Here you can see that the camera is always turned on, having the ability to do the face recognition. So just by scanning your face, you can unlock the gate. My face is not in the system right now, so it's not opening it. We have a directory to call individuals directly as well. We have a pin lock, or use just a pin keypad, or use the doorbell function. With the doorbell function, pressing over there, we can hear the buzzer buzzing inside, as well as I'm receiving the phone call from my phone. Just by tapping there, I just got a message. And I can see us here, plus unlock the gate. From my phone anywhere in the world, I can have a two-way conversation with the person by the gate and allow that person to come in. So the main reason why we went with this intercom, as you can see, it has a metal encasing, it's robust, it's weather resistant, it has a bunch of features to use as entry points, from NFC, from face recognition, from pins, QR codes, remote unlock from your phone. Even through the app by Bluetooth, you can have your own credentials with license free, which is really good to have. It's attached to the UniFi Protect, so it's serving as a camera, surveillance camera all the time, recording 24/7. So we'll see anybody by the gate and record it all the time. And that's basically all the features. Plus it has a light on the top that will illuminate your face during nighttime. And it's a two-way talking device. You can talk through it anywhere in the world. It's a beautiful device. Okay guys, I'm gonna do you just a little demo. When the client comes in, he comes over here, puts his code. Don't share this code with nobody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're outside here. As you can see, we have installed cameras all around the building, around 15 to 20 cameras, including inside as well. Now, why did we go with Ubiquiti cameras? The cameras we went outside are the AI turrets with advanced AI features, such as people detection, face recognition, license plate reading, and all the other special features, including sound detections as well, which is really important. The reason why we went with the AI turret, it's a vandal-proof camera. It has a spotlight that will turn on motion. It's a two-way talking camera as well, and has a blue ring around it that once it detects any motion, the ring keeps going around, showing the person got detected. It's a cool feature to see working too. The beauty about this system is that we can integrate, or let's say combine, networks, Wi-Fi, cameras, door access as the intercom that we have here, all on the same platform. As any system, there's a need for a backbone of things to work. Like for cameras, there's a need for network. For door access, there's a need for network. And Ubiquiti, using their family product of UniFi, we can combine everything together. I'll show you inside. Okay guys, we're at what's going to be their future office. It's still in renovation mode. As you can see, we have a TV that with a viewport, we're able to view the cameras all around. Some of them are just on rotating, as we can see. It's a really cool feature that we can have monitors all over the place, including you're going to see another one in the shop. So one in the office, one in the shop. Here we have our door access hub that will enable the management of the the gate. So connecting from the intercom to the gate, the door access hub, we can use our triggers, connect third-party devices as a doorbell that we have in here as well, that you heard once we press the button outside. We have a door position sensor that allows us to know when the gate is open and when the gate is closed. That's a really good feature to have, since if nobody's here, you would like to know if your gate is open or closed. In our IT rack, we went for a Dream Machine Pro SE. That's the one we had in stock. No special requirements for that. We have our patch panel with all the cameras that we brought in here, including the 2 access points for their network, the viewports, door access hub, and alarm that we also have here in place. There's specific VLANs for all the systems that we have. As you see, we have for security cameras in red, for network in blue, and yellow for the door access. We like to do a good practice for the door access is filtering all the devices that come inside the network by MAC address. There's a cable outside, right? RJ45 cable, Ethernet cable, that will give you access to the internet. So by filtering by the MAC address of the hub and the intercom, we're blocking everybody else of using that cable to get inside this building. So starting from the top, we have our Dream Machine patch panel with all the terminations. Then we have our 24-port Pro Max switch with a lot of power for everything that we have over here. Our UNVR, scalable for more hard drives in case we need, and an UPS in case power goes down, and to filter the main line coming in for our devices. That allows us to protect from any issues with energy. Okay, I'm just going to give you a little briefing about the site manager that we have for Ubiquiti. As you can see, we have the network, protect, door access, and control plane. So from one click, we can manage the network for our client. We can manage the cameras for our client. So here on the cameras, I know this is noticeable, but we're still in construction. This is going to be moved. And then we have the door access, which we can see it from here. Now, of course, you're going to see 2 cameras here. The reason for that is this camera on the gate one is paired with the intercom. This allows an easy access to the footage of this camera to see the position of the gate. One way to do it is again right with the phone. If we go to the access, we have here the intercom, and just with one click, we can see the status of the gate. This allows us to combine the cameras from the Protect with the access, as well as use the camera from the access intercom to the Protect. So you guys might have noticed this beautiful black box with the name Ajax on our video, and maybe asking yourselves, what is this? This is an alarm system that we install as well. It's their security system for this place. Beautiful, that works with lots of wireless devices and wired as well. So I'll show you what we have inside. Our battery, it's an 18-zone board. Option for power for in 2 locations, which is really good. Really easy to install, really easy to have wire management and to enroll. So I'll take you outside so you can see the siren, how it works wirelessly. As well, I'll show you on the keypad how we arm it, and we'll pretend to be our burglar for today, and I'll show you how everything works. Okay guys, we're beside the keypad for the Ajax alarm system. As you can see, it's really beautiful, elegant design, nice and clean. It's a touch screen, so there's no buttons. It's easy to clean. It uses NFC if you want to use NFC cards to arm and disarm, or even for automations, as they have switches and relays for integrating lights and plug controls. I can show you here what's showing on the screen. So right now we can see it's disarmed by an open circle. We have our arm, disarm in night mode, as well as our panic. We can have the panic button, fire, in a medical. If we go back to our control, we're going to arm it, and forget about this code. It's really secure, and it's telling us alarm detecting on main door in the room. The door is open, of course, so that's why it's telling us to go check it. We're going to leave it open. I'm going to arm it anyway. Arm now. So now we're in countdown. So let's go see outside. Right on that pole we have our siren. The siren has a big, strong strobe. Besides the sound that it's going to make, it's going to emit light, notifying everybody around that either by sound or by light that an alarm has occurred. I'm going to go inside really quickly to trigger the emotion, and I'll leave you seeing the siren going on. So siren just finished with playing. We got all notifications in our app, Ajax security app, as well as the station that's connected. Here we go again. The station is receiving these signals. Pretty soon it's going to be contacting our customer to make sure that everything's okay. Of course, we put it on test before, so we're good from that. Okay guys, that was our setup for today. It was a 2-day process. I'm Helder from AIM Security. Give us a call if you need any answers or opinions on your security systems, either cameras, network, door access, alarms, integrations with third-party devices or equipment. Today we were working with ubiquiti, UniFi Protect, as well as Ajax Security. Here's our phone number and our contacts. Don't forget to like and subscribe Pipl's channel. They're here with us today. And looking forward to see you in the next video.